Another training Thursday for you. This time is the Worcester Compact. This has got to be my least favourite Worcester to work on. A very tight boiler. It can be difficult to get the parts out. However, I'm going to show you a detailed full strip down service, how to take the components out. So it'll be a good reference video if you ever come across this boiler in the future. I'll say again, thank you for your support. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure you like the video, and let's take a look at the Worcester Compact. Okay, so we've got the Worcester Compact. I'm going to give this full strip down service today. I'm going to take everything out. New electrodes, new seals, the works. So let's get into it. First thing I'll do, power off. You can take the fuse bar out, but there's nobody else in this loft other than me. So I'm not afraid of anyone turning it back on. There's two screws, one there and one on the other side, just there. So just undo them. There you go. That's apart from the screws, mate. See the green tab? Just pull that down, and the other one, and then the casing should drop forward. There you go, just like that. You can just it slightly, and that'll hang out the way. Now, them green hinges, very prone to breaking. So always carry a set of them on the van. You can get them free from Worcester though. Once that's out the way, two screws there, and you can get the one there, undo them, take them out, two latches at the top, then that will come forward. Okay, so very common fault on these is this flue seal. So make sure you get one of these on the turret part that connects to the sump. Also, auto air vent, very common as well, them can leak. That one looks fine, but yeah, we have got a new seal for there. So to get that out, one screw there, then that will pull out. Both screws out, it should come up and out. It should come off that turret there, it's a bit hard. One-handed, there we go. Oops, and there's the flue seal. That's the one that goes. They've changed the design of that now. I'll show you the new one in a bit. Yeah, that's them. That's the sump there. So now what I do is get to this burner here. So let's pull that out the way. Then we can start getting into it. So we get this fan out now. So I'm going to disconnect it off the gas valve, which is just on a nut. Very hard to get into. You can see they call it the compact. Undo that. That's it out the way. There's two screws, one at the front there, just there, and one around the back there. And that does swing out the way when you need to, so you can get in there with your screwdriver and get them screws out. Bolts disconnecting there. Let's get this spark generator out the way. So out, there you go. That gives you room to get the fan in there. There we go. That is the fan out. To get into the burner, and just these springs here. So you just want to disconnect that and pull that out. You just want to get a spanner onto there, undo that. Just do that for four of them. That then will get the burner out. You see that I've got that one out. It's just broken a bolt through there. Undo that, and that bolt will come out. And what I normally do is once I've got them out, I put them back together so you don't lose them. The back ones you don't have to take fully out, just undo it. It's a 10mm ratchet spanner I've got on there, making life a lot easier. As long as you don't slip. So that's the bolts loosened at the back. So what we should be able to do now is, I don't know if you can see, but if you lift this up slightly, let's see if you can see it on the camera. There you go, see it comes out there. Same that side, and then that, twist that round. That should be that out of the way. That's the burner out. There's the seal on the other side. And there's your burner resting on top, so you can get him out. Be careful with it. There we go. That's the burner out. Let's have a look what we've got inside them. Not the best. Not the best at all. Now, Worcester do give you a scraper to go in there. It's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Tried it before. The results some crap. So, using this Karcher mini pressure washer. Now, I have done a review video on this. Absolutely amazing. Best 100 quid I ever spent. So yeah, just gonna get in there, blast it all out with that. You'll see the difference in a minute. You'll see what it was to what it, yeah, it'll make mincemeat of that. take about 5 minutes and show you what I can do. So see the filter up there. Here we go. So yeah, what I'm going to do is pressure wash all across there, nice full tank, keep doing it till the tank's empty, and it will just come out there into the trap, which I'll clean out after. Yeah, that will do minutes, absolutely minutes to clean that out now. Right, give that a good blast through. This is the after. Yeah, it is good to clean. It is really hard to see. I can only really see when I'm using the phone. I remember to use the phone to see if I cleaned it all. So yeah, give that another quick blast through and I'm going to swap these electrodes next. All you want to do is get these off first, and then they can be a bit tight, so you can get a flathead behind there and just wedge it and give it a wiggle, get them off. These two are going to be a bit more because they'll come off at the same time. What I normally do is get flathead, just to prise them. It's them bubbers that get stuck. That's what does it. And you should be able to give them a wiggle, get them out. It's hard to do one-handed, but yeah, just struggle and you'll get them out eventually. There we go, wiggle them. After that, it's 2 10mm screws, one at the top here. I did start to loosen that off, and one at the bottom there. That's like 10mm to get them out, and that'll just come out. Off them off now. There we go. That's the old electrode out. That's the part number for the electrode kit that you need for the compact. That's the old electrodes, new ones, old seal. Don't forget to take that out. This is the new one here, which goes just there. There we go. And all I've got to do now is angle the electrodes back in, which I will try and do one-handed. Hold on. So the section part, which is that one, that's the sparking part, that's the section part, goes towards here. Right, angle that down, get it in. So I call them a compact for a reason. Bloody hell. These are tight as hell, these are. It's even harder. Try and do it one-handed. There we go. There we go. Winning. Yeah, let's put them 2 screws back on. So electrodes back in. Just put the 2 10mm bolts back on, and then we can get these back on. You have to line both of them up. Any head fiddly with one hand, but then do just go. There you go, onto there. And section 1, let's get it back there. There we go. There we go. That's the electrodes all replaced. Yeah, oh look at flying there. I have to blow him out, but yeah, the burner, be gentle with it, be very gentle. Just give it a light blow through, push over, be very gentle. Yeah, we'll get him out wherever he was. Then we can replace the burn seal. Burner all clean, we can pop him back in there. There we go. And the burn seal. We have got the burn seal. Comes a pack for this boiler. Comes with the burn seal and the flue seal. So you don't have to buy them separately. It comes with a pack. Part number for that is that one there. Leave that on the screen for a few minutes in case you need it. So it comes with both seals and instructions on how to replace them. And for the seal, you can see that's the old seal. Just going to take him out and put the new seal in. Exactly the same way. Pull it out, put the new one in. Easy peasy. New burn seal on. What you're going to do, you can see how it's cut out there. It's just got to slide in to where them bolts on. Don't want it because of the flue to it. This boiler's a pain in the backside. It really is. Oh, this is helping people show how difficult this boiler can be. There you go. Or am I making it look difficult? You decide. I'll do a few of these now though. This is the boiler I've actually got in my house. I got it with theirs. They put one of these in. Stuff like that. Anyway, that's it pushed back now. What we can do now is tighten them down and do the front ones. That's all 4 pins back in now. Now I'm just going to get the fan in, but what I've got to do is get my light out of the way. I'm never going to get him out. Come on, let's get him out. Twist him back around. It is good with that. move it out of the way, just to make it a bit more access. But yeah, I'm gonna get the fan back in, like that, and the bolts, one through there, then the one at the back that you seen earlier. And that's it, that should be near enough done. There we go. Just go and tighten them up while the more reset, look. Oh, straight in there. Then we'll tighten now, and we're just going to get a spark generator back on. So that just hooks in, then two lugs there. So up above it, there we go, that's locked in. And the gas valve, I'm going to get that nut back on there. That's it, that is the top section all done. So the new seal just goes on the bottom of there. You do have to stretch it out, which is impossible one-handed, but that seal goes on there. Let me get it on, I'll show you. That's the new Flue seal, all in place. Ooh, actually I've got a kink there. Let's get that back off and do it properly. Right. That's better. That's better. Right, so new Flue seal, all in place. Very easy, just up into there and down, back into there with 2 screws. So up into there first, it'll go up to about here, then you push it back, pull it down into there, and you put your 2 screws in either side, and that's it. Very easy to replace that seal. Right, so then screws them back in. I've put the electrics back on the fan, I forgot to do that. So let's get this strap out of the way. Let's disconnect it. I've put it off there normally. Then we'll twist and get it out. It can be a bit tight, these can, I don't know why. Twist and pull down. Like that. There we go. Get you out. There we go. Let's clean that muck out of there. Now, I do use the cartridge for that. Get in the bucket, blast it down there, and it'll clean that really nicely. Okay, clean that is there. Spotless, absolutely spotless. Yeah, let's get it back in. Let me see if I can show you better. You see where the grooves I'm in there? It just has to go on there. So imagine it pushes up, twists, and locks into place. So another thing I'm going to do, drain down the boiler, and we're going to recharge the expansion vessel. But I've got a new little gadget for that. Let me show you. It's a little portable pressure inflator called Up Boost. 20 quid that was. Just turn it on, hold down the power button, it's in the middle, sorry. Yeah, that's set on bar, set it to whatever you want, put that on, happy days. So it goes on like any other expansion valve, like my foot pump, you just set the pressure that you want. So, say if we want a bar in there, press the power button, there you go, that's for one bar. Basically, using my foot pump, I used to get my steps in with my foot pump, but yeah, I'm really impressed with that. For 20 quid. Absolute bargain. Bit of a bonus for anybody that's got this far. So, these Worcester magnets, I know some people don't know how to undo them, just same as any other one. Just always let it down, and it's the bottom bit here, that bit, you take out. Some people try to get on here and open, but yeah, you just put I got them are really good. That's an all filter wrench, just on the bottom of there, yeah. That's how you get them apart. That's what it looks like inside. Just give it a clean off like any other filter and pop it back in. Easy peasy. Alright, so pressure back in the boiler, power's back on, got the analyzer ready to go, and this is where you do the fan pressure test from. Now we'll put on the screen what the high low reading should be and the fan pressure, but I'll show you how to get this in service mode. So press and hold them 2 buttons there, and this button's chimney sweep. And you use the up and down arrows here to put into minimum and maximum. So you're going to do minimum and maximum there. So I'll put on the screen what there should be, the fan pressure and the readings you should get. Go for the minimum, go into maximum. And that's the maximum. So here are the readings for the Worcester Compact. We was working on the 28 kilowatt, the fan pressure readings and the minimum and maximum readings. One thing I'm going to do as well, sweep test all the way around there, all the way at the back of the burner, just make sure I don't get no readings on my analyzer, which is belt and braces that is. Then we're going to get the case back on and do a final CR readings. Well, I'm doing the analyzer readings. Can you tell me what the magnets are for? I'd be really impressed if you could. I always think it's free. me analyzer, but there's a reason them are there. If anyone puts in the comments what it's for, I'll be well impressed. So main case is back on, you just slide that on. It's like 2 runners underneath here, one on that side, one on that side. Line it up, push it on, make sure them 2 clips go on. Now this front panel here, bit of a knack to it, so just push it forward, lean it back, then it clips into place like that. And then 2 green handles that you've seen will just push up into place, and that's locked into place. You just put the screws back in from earlier. That's what we're going to do now. Put that on max and do a final combustion reading on that. There we go, we just finished all our tests on it, so what you can do now is press them 2 buttons, takes it out of service mode. FSD check, flue integrity check, gas rate, all that. That is basic gas knowledge now, so do them as well on full strip down service. Yeah, there you go, that is a full strip down service on the compact. They ain't too bad once you get used to them, to be fair. I remember the first one I did, it was like a nightmare, but not the best boiler that Worcester made. It is very, very tight in there, but that's how you do full strip clean on that. Hope that's helped.